Welcome to Unison TV, a brand new pit stop for all things cycling. Brought to you by Unison Bikes because we know bikes. I'm Paul Garcia.
Magandang umaga, magandang araw sa inyong lahat. Dexter Santos, kasama natin si Paul. At, napapansin niyo,
Hello, I'm
Ariana.
Evangelista.
Yay! Welcome, Mariana.
Hello! Welcome.
Welcome.
Thank you for welcoming me, guys.
nakikita
Talaga ba?
Ang ganun, may bakante dun, no? Ladies and gents, Mr. Carlos de Guzman!
Isipin nyo na lang
Welcome.
May pausok tayo, may pausok tayo.
Ano to pauwi ako ng bahay, hindi ko alam, mag-guest pala ako sa
O, diba?
special episode lang Unison TV.
At nandito kasi,
Oh,
paminsan-minsan lang natin nakakasama si
tama.
Ariana. Kaya,
Thank you,
syempre,
bye.
dumating.
Ang galing dito sa Unison TV.
Andito tayo ngayon sa D. Tuason, pinakabago nating showroom. Kaya natin ginawa din itong episode dito sa D. Tuason. Kabubukas ka soft launch lang
I'm
natin.
sorry, I missed the opening.
It's fun. Again, ladies and gents, our brand, our DT Swiss brand ambassador is with us tonight.
I love that.
So yan, Evangelista. So, alam mo kagandahan itong ganitong setup? Wala tayong script.
Wala
Hindi na ako paganda, so bahala na ako na
Bahala na.
natin. Ariana, umanda ka sa mga questions namin.
Kumpisahan muna natin, syempre, we start. Paano mo umpisa tayong seryoso muna?
Wow,
Si Ariana kasi,
kapagpasgap.
oo, si Ariana kasi has been riding for a very long time. At what age did you start?
I feel so old now. I started cycling at age 12 and then now I'm turning 29.
O yan, siya daw, mami. Tatanong
Kayo
ko
na
pa
lang
tayo
mag-math.
ilang years eh.
Kayo
di
na
ba?
lang mag-math, okay? I'm not gonna say how many,
Tatanong
para
ko
naman
pala.
may effort on your end.
Yeah.
Ano ba effort?
Or on your end.
Nalagyan na lang
Joke
namin ng caption.
Pero na-compute ko na 17 years.
Wow, bilis ako.
Actually, kaya siya nandito.
Nagsacycle, gagawin finger math ako kanina pa.
17 years
Yeah.
already in cycling. May tanong ako, since you started at 12 and now you're 20, turning 29, what are the major differences from when you started and sa ngayon?
Well, actually, I think it's ang pinaka nagbago is yung terrain whenever I do compete. Kasi before in the Philippines, when you say cross-country, it's usually point to point. So from point A to point B, isang loop, usually ganun na yung races. And now, since nagkaroon ng cross-country Olympics na discipline, which is XCO, which is my main discipline, which is actually catered for the Olympics talaga, so people could watch. So, yung mga courses have become more technical. So, before kasi parang pwede ka na nalakas lang eh. Now, you have to really develop your skill. That's why there's a really like a difference when it comes to when you say mountain biking. And then aside from that, yung mga terrain, syempre I've met a lot of people na ever since I was a kid and then nagpabago-bago siya all throughout the years. So parang sabi ko ilang decade na.
Pero almost 2 decades of 17 years.
Oh, grabe. Yeah, halos all my life I've been biking. Pero at least right now, I'm really enjoying it more kasi we're gonna talk about it later that I've also started doing gravel riding. So, mostly same faces pa rin, but of course there are definitely new ones kasi yung iba naman na who are into road cycling, they just wanted to try off-road and then they go gravel.
Did you start cycling for fun lang when you were 12?
I
Or
think-
gusto mo na agad competing
No, I was really a sporty kid before. So, before I actually have gotten into cycling, I was into badminton naman. Though, I wish I pushed for badminton, pero di na ako umitim, okay? At di ako sumisemplang and all that.
Kaya mo na i-pick up yung
Oo naman! Yes, I can!
Skills.
Kaya ko yun!
pagka,
Doon mo ko malalaman na hindi ko,
malalaman
no?
shot mo naman ito.
I can do that.
Oo, kasi nakakain yun eh. Tapos yung sabi,
Buti na lang, hindi live
Kabahan
to.
ka na, no? Kabahan ka na.
Magtutun tayo.
I can do
kabahan
that.
na.
But of course, at the start, syempre as a kid, it's a new sport na parang, I loved it kasi galang-gala ako as a kid. Punta ako dito, punta ako ganyan. And then parang eventually, I was like, okay, let's try doing a race. And then parang, oh, I can excel pala in this race. So, and then, fast forward to today, na, wow, it became my, professional career.
Oh, guys, fast forward to today daw, sabi niya. Let me just move back one day.
Wag na!
One day to yesterday. Kasi to today ka. Tapos na yung series part natin. That's the
Ang bilis
question.
naman.
Kasi everybody knows you naman. Everybody follows you.
Hindi,
We know your history already. Na matagal ka na champion ka, ganyan-ganyan. Mas interesado ata kami dun sa Chika Minute natin.
Chika minute!
Kaya,
Joke lang.
andito siya. Si Carlos.
Sikat kami sa...
Ah,
Ang ganda pala ng picture.
Professional judgers.
Oh.
Yes.
Welcome pala to the new set of the SBR Nameless Podcast. With our special guest.
We judge.
Nag-guest ka rin doon ah.
Oo. So, ganito.
Oh.
Dahil sabi ni Ariana, to today, balikan lang natin yung
Kasi si
kahapon.
Derek
Tama,
ay sinabi.
Ano ba meron
Ano
kahapon?
meron kahapon?
Hindi
If
niya.
you follow her,
Hindi niya
I'm
naman
sure
alam
nakita niyo yun.
Weh.
Hindi lang siya rider na, hindi lang siya biker. Alam niyo bang nagsasayaw na to?
Ay, yun.
Ay, grabe. Ayoko. Ay, wag ko naman ipakita sila.
Paano yan?
Alam mo, direct, ikaw na
Ano
pala.
na, dito may violence na.
Ito na. Wait, story lang insert natin dito.
Patungan mo na lang.
May
Ipakita
violence
lang natin.
happening.
Sinasabi ko sa kanya kanina na nakikita natin natural grace ni Ariana
Oh.
nung nagsasayaw siya.
Oh.
So, natural talaga yung kanyang Gusto niyo na sample?
Huwag na.
Kailangan may sample.
Hindi pwede. Hindi pwede puro kwento lang, di ba?
Ayaw ko eh, papapaya dance ko lang to bolo. The joke.
Paano ba yung papaya dance?
Paano nga? Kailangan mo yung music. Kung search ko, o sige,
Oh,
so,
but anyway.
sa mga nagko-follow, tingnan nyo na lang yung, kung ano yung sinasabi ko. Okay, tapos, I'm sure, marami kayong mga katanungan dyan na personal. Nararamdaman namin kayo.
Parang
Kaya mo
parang
naman
pumuputok yung ano eh.
Oo.
Comment
So,
section natin.
sigurado yung pumuputok.
Oo.
Tatanong, alam mo, mag-dwell na lang tayo sa love life.
Oo,
Pinaka-interesting part ng buhay ngayon ni
Hold up to, hold up.
Oo, sabi sa'yo, walang delikado pag
Alam mo,
walang script.
skincare lang yung iniisip ko yung tanong. Nagka-love life naman.
Skincare ang gusto mong itanong? Ay, nako!
Hindi ko tinatanong
Ate, ha?
Eh, kasi nasadya ko talaga yun. Nakita nyo naman kasi
Sis.
tingnan nyo yung kito.
Sis, skincare gusto malaman?
Oh, kilay
Ganun
na
talaga,
basket ko agad ah.
Okay.
Oy, natural mo
Tingnan nyo kasi.
Brown makeup.
Tingnan nyo
Pwede
yung
ko na
kulis.
para
Oh.
Pwede ba tayong humirang ng
pinset na
ballpen?
maganda dito.
Gusto ko lagyan ng lapis.
Ano oh.
Hindi, lalagyan natin ng lapis. Tayo eh. O sige, love life. How's your love life?
Okay, wow, bigla
Biglang, o sige na nga, sagutin ko na lahat. Sige, go.
No, kasi I have a boyfriend.
So?
Pero hindi siya... yung the OGs know na matagal na akong in a relationship. Pero I wasn't open lang on social media kasi parang hindi man kailangan.
Mhm.
You know? I'm not really the type to flaunt my relationship because I'm happy naman with it. Hindi ko naman kailangan na parang, ay, palati tayo. Hindi ko
Okay.
nakikringe ako sa...
Yung mga pakilig.
Ano sila dito, parang kakapost ko lang ng gano'n namin eh.
Ay! Alam mo, kasi
O tapos,
hindi ko pa nakikita. Tapos, actually, we've met through cycling. Cyclist siya before.
Okay.
Tapos parang nung nawala yung Timberland Heights, kasi I usually train in Timberland Heights in San Mateo Rizal. And then for some time, nung 2018, they closed it to do some renovations and all that. So, nung 2018 siya nag-stop. So,
Okay.
siya.
You wanna go back to Timberland?
I'm liking siya. They recently,
Let's talk about it offline.
they recently opened and have new trails na.
Yeah.
So,
Please.
oh, anyway,
Anyway,
off cam. So, ngayon, his profession is really into coaching sa racetrack.
Oh.
So, if you wanna be a race car driver or you just wanna get better in riding with a car, yun yung niya, full-time job. Tapos ako naman, yun, full-time pa rin, cyclist, but I'm happy na I'm able to do a lot more things now. Yun nga yung dancing. Kasi dancing, childhood dream ko talaga yun. Tapos I have a friend na, dance instructor, choreographer talaga siya. Tapos parang nakikita niya kasi yung stories ko recently na, parang ka nag-TikTok, tara na, ganyan. So, nung March 14, yun talaga, I remember the day, March 14 ako nag-start mag-dance class. And then, naging weekly thing na siya. Ay,
Seryoso sa'yo, pala akala ko nagtitiktok ka lang kahapon. Nagsasayaw pala talaga siya.
Legit.
saan naman papunta itong usapan na
hindi
to?
ko pa alam eh.
Oh.
No,
Alam mo,
Ang hirap
Carlos,
pumunta lang
Ako
wala
all
na
this
gym.
time, parang nagtitiktok lang siya sa salamin or whatever. Nagsasayaw.
pwede sa
The dance class na pala
I
sa
was in a
tayo.
dance class. So, you know, the thing is, the way I do my hobbies, it should actually benefit my cycling. That's how I choose my hobby. So, yun, dance class. Actually, very, very beneficial siya. Para kang nag-hit, hit?
Oo, okay.
Sobrang,
High intensity.
sobrang nakakapagod mag-dance. Kasi yung friend ko na yun, hindi siya yung pa-cute lang na dance. Talagang all out, ganung vibe.
Okay.
So, ang funny nga nun is, yung sa dance class ko kahapon, I was supposed to cancel kasi I did the century ride yesterday sa trail.
Oh, sorry. Nag-century ride pa.
Hindi, I had no choice. So basically, sabi ko, when I called the dance class, sabi ko, can I cancel na? But apparently, if you cancel late, hindi na ma-revert yung credit. Sabi ko, shucks, tuloy ko. Sige, tuloy ko na lang. So, talagang sabi ko, grabe na yung pagod ko yesterday. As in, after dance class, uwi, tulog. Yun
Tulog
talaga. As in, rectum KO. So, luckily, the thing na napansin ko na benefit sa dance class, everything is moving And in mountain biking, everything is also moving. So, yung tipong, you're doing a lot of leg work, core work, and during the dance class, it translates to mountain
So,
biking.
do you dance?
Of course.
Do you? I don't dance kasi it's all about coordination and all. I don't have that.
You don't have that? Oh, I
Well, the more you should do
I
it!
pity you.
Kung may dalawang moves ka na ituturo sa...
Sa kanya, si
Super
Paul.
host.
What's your go-to move?
Sige,
What's your
Oh,
go-to
sige,
move?
wait
Hindi
lang.
naman pala
Dahil
nagdadala
kasi
sa
Ay, wala lang di konti, ha?
Ituturo ko sa iyo yung natutunan ko lang kahapon na madali lang. So, yung start ng dance namin,
Okay,
parang,
let's go.
it's called the Fila ata. Gaganon ka lang naman. Ganon.
One to double ba yan?
Ano?
Pwede ba natin pakuluan muna to?
Oh, sige, sige.
Single, double, double.
Madali lang.
De, pero,
Talagang madali, ha? Wala. Madali daw, sabi ni Paul, ha?
masyado.
Sige.
Bakit kasi swimming lang?
I forgot pa I forgot the name of this. Parang gaganon ka. Pak, pak.
Oh, pak.
Pak,
Gano'n.
Ay, inatas pa yung triangle.
Oh, ano?
Thank you so much. Okay,
Dahil ako kaya
Ano ko ba madali lang?
Yung the dance to Ariana.
Oo, tapos kailangan todo.
Tayo dalawa.
Todo yung kitiwa.
I think Shibi yung tawag doon. Parang gano'n. Madali lang yun!
Tapos, already, in 2.
Kailangan naman ilang totong ito.
Totong ngiti.
I know, basta the guys try having a dance class. So, it's fun kasi I usually attend alone, which is weird, I
Okay.
think. But what I love about the dance...
Kasama ka daw ni Paul. Dahil
Tara!
sayaw.
Sa ano lang yan? Podium.
Oo.
Okay lang to. Oh, sige.
Lapit lang.
Saan sa podium yun?
Sport floor. 808 Studio.
Okay. Box, as if.
Plano ko yun.
Sa Pamala sila yan?
Hindi ko alam eh. Basta
Floor,
floor floor
tama,
siya.
tama.
Doon, pakita na lang tayo doon sa restaurant sa baba.
Okay na tayo na.
May mamo sa baba.
Doon na lang kami.
Doon na lang para
Doon na lang kami.
Sige, alis na nga tayo sa dancing. Kung mapapansin nyo, yung suot ni Ariana ngayon,
I'm alright.
hindi nakapang-bike.
I'm
Oo.
alright.
O, di ba, naka-singlet, naka-short shorts, kasi balita ko, mag-run ka pa mamaya. So, isa yung
Yes.
running, sa isa pa,
Yes,
sa mga cross training na ginagawa
Yeah.
for
I
side.
used to hate it.
Mhm.
I mean, legit, I hate running kasi last year, every time I run, I feel na hindi ako nakaka-recover. It feels such a work for me.
Mhm.
But apparently, when I ran with my friend in one of the Ayala Car-Free Sundays, he was like, oh, Yana, you're heel striking.
Wait, may ganun?
Ganun!
May
So I was
judging
like,
Nais ko na
oh,
agad.
nudge niya ako.
Okay, okay.
Kasi
Oh, tapos?
hindi ko madidiscover na I should be running in the correct form.
No.
So, right after naman nun, syempre, may sumakit.
Mm.
Kasi new muscle,
Oh.
ganyan.
Mm.
But, yung parang DOMS niya, it's like DOMS lang, hindi siya parang going towards injury. Which, how I was running before. So, ever since then, sabi ko, uy, bakit pala tumakbo ganyan. Weekly ako nagyayayanan. Tapos, nagpalit din ako ng shoe. And then, yung shoe na yun, I was like, oh, this is so much better than what I used the first time. So, it has to be like the right form and then the right shoe combo for me.
Mhm.
So now, I see the benefit in it for my mountain biking kasi when we have these races, kunyari, sa trail kasi it's may mga single track areas.
Mhm.
So, tendency talaga during the race, may traffic. So, kunyari, especially pag ahon, hindi mo talaga mababike siya kasi there's so many riders in front of you. And now, there goes then yung run training na kailangan mong akayin yung bike mo.
You experience that traffic? Usually, you're in the front of the pack.
Oh.
Hindi kasi, kunyari, may international races.
Mm.
Minsan,
Nalalap mo sila.
Hindi, kasi not all race courses naman, even though let's say it's UCI siya, sanctioned, not all race courses are good. Especially here in Southeast Asia. So, but I've joined the ones in Europe and I have nothing bad to say talaga on what the racetrack looks like. And they really do deserve hosting these very good events kasi they have the place for it. So now, syempre, when I have joined these races in Southeast Asia, talagang may mga part na parang hindi makatarungan kasi even the men elite, they walk it.
Oh,
So, I
okay.
said, kung di nila kaya, paano pa kami? So, kaya kailangan din ng running. And what I
Okay.
notice is yung benefit niya when it comes to your parang general fitness. It's basically building your foundation. It's really good for cycling. And also the pros do it. So I was like, I should be doing it too. And then when I started doing it, I saw the benefit of it for cycling.
Eddie Duwathon na.
Gusto ko mag-duathlon, guys.
Ayan na. Ito na tayo sa topic na yun.
July.
Ang silbi pala punta ko dito. So, ibig sabihin sasali ka sa duathlon?
Magugulo lang ako, guys.
So ano dapat natin abangan sa Yaman event? Upcoming event?
Yeah,
this
what's the
July
name of your duathlon?
Duaman duathlon.
Duaman is in
Yeah, yeah.
July. I'm joining. And thanks to Eloy for making budol.
So, kung gusto niyo makasama,
Oh, let's go.
register
Gagawin
na.
ko yung gravel bike ko. Yeah.
Ah, talaga?
O, pinartidahan pa kayo ng gravel bike, oh.
Oh,
Diba?
yeah.
So,
Well,
Eh kasi, syempre, road ang gagawin.
so pag nakita pa kita doon, dahil sinabi mo, tama na yung running for book, ganun pa rin tumakbo. Talaga.
Ay, hindi naman! Grabe
Tama
naman!
yung hirap
Tapos,
mo.
bawal mag-i-strike.
Ay,
Huwag mo mga
Ay, tama
What?
na!
Proper form talaga.
Ang gagawin ni Carlos,
Ayaw pa.
Gagawin ni Carlos,
Oo, per
Paano
body.
ba yung upper body?
pag nakita ka ni Carlos nag-i-strike, gagawin siya, Ariana,
Oo.
Paano ba yung upper body?
your form!
Strike.
Yung striking,
Oo,
yung striking.
tama.
Di, paano ba yung upper?
Wala, hindi ako elite eh. Paano ba pa?
Dito si Direk pa
Ah,
din.
Oo.
Tayo pilit eh. Hindi tayo elite.
Na
Cannot be.
Kala ko.
Oh, meron ka ng dancing, may running ka.
Yun yung gusto ko itanong ngayon eh. Ang dami mong interests, ang dami mong ginagawa. What does
As an ADHD,
what does
person.
what does an average day look like? What's an average Ariana day look like?
Okay. Wow. Breakdown eh.
Sige nga, tingnan
No,
natin.
I mean, I'm really the type to na gusto mong may palaging ginagawa. So, I train in the morning sa pagbabike. Then, of course, when I get home, I shower and then I eat. And then, it's either I gym or I run or yung may dance class or some other physical activity pa rin. Kaya, very puno yung araw ko.
Puno yan. Ngayon, saan pumapasok yung love life mo doon?
At saka yung skincare. Yung
Oh, tama, tama,
Video mo nga
Ayun,
ako
kaya
ito.
ano eh.
Bakit ako? Sige na nga.
Pare, patay
Ibigay mo na yung
skincare na yan, ha?
skincare.
Pagbigyan na nga natin si Paul. Paul, itanong mo na yung skincare mo.
Kasi
Napansin ko kay brother
Oo.
Paul, ang kinis ah.
Oh, yun nga. Wala pa ginagamit.
Alam mo, sabi niya kasi, gusto ko pang kuminis lalo.
Exactly.
Para
Ayun nga,
effort siya
diba?
skincare ah.
Kasi kung makapansin nyo, sabi ko kay Ariana,
Alam nyo guys, yung unang pag-meet namin
Exactly.
yun honestly wala
Oo.
make up. Yun talaga yung una niyang tinanong.
oh,
Ariana, magpalit tayo ng upuan.
ayun.
Oo,
tama,
Ayoko
tama.
dito. Dito kayo.
Dapat talaga si
Okay, yan, yan.
Dito
Ayan na, at least
dito tayo, pre.
natin makikita. Guys, taga-taga, focus natin direct. Tignan nyo.
Sorry, sorry mga
Tignan
mga
nyo.
honestly, my best skincare is sunblock.
Sunblock.
Kasi for me, my belief is if I invest in my skin, I don't have to wear makeup. Tamad ako mag-makeup eh. That effort to put foundation, ganyan-ganyan. Tapos pag isang ganun ko lang.
Sayang nga naman.
Ang gastos eh.
Foundation siya.
Oo, yung foundation.
Paul, ka ba naglalagay ng foundation? Natural yan.
Natural yan, alam ko yung tsura ng
Medyo
ano eh.
at least yan nag-shit ka man lang kulay blue. Imposibleng hindi matte yung balat niya.
Oo.
Kasi,
Matte eh.
people should realize that skincare is a holistic approach. Hindi lang siya whatever you put on your face, but also
Also what
what's
you-
coming from within. So, I'm the type to observe.
Oo,
So,
yari tayo.
Yari tayo.
So, before, palagi ako may pimples. But, I found the culprit, which is sugar. Kasi what happens there is, sugar, when it goes to your system, it becomes like glue.
Yan, mga sugar nyo.
Yeah, so di ba, ang mga toxins and all that, it stays more in your system. So, hindi na, I'm not
Sugar.
saying naman na bawal, but maybe
Yan ba
in moderation lang. Tapos of course, drink a lot of water.
Sino maubos na tong sugar na to?
Ako.
Medyo nagpag...
Nakikita mo minsan yung mga...
No, but
Parang
this
tistinger.
was like the only
Oo.
sugar I had today. And then, people find it funny when I tell them sunblock talaga yung skincare ko. Kasi even in the house, I wear sunblock. That's my maintenance. UV kasi is one of the most na nagpapa-age sa atin. And another thing that will keep us youthful is gym. Yeah.
Si Jim.
Nagsasunblock.
Oo, hanapin mo si Jim.
Nagsasunblock.
Okay na ako.
Dapat.
Diba, wait lang.
Okay na ako. Okay na.
Diba? So,
Si
bukod
Jim.
sa sunblock, always put an eye cream. Kasi siguro baka wala akong, ano tawag mo doon?
Crow's feet.
Crow's feet. Kasi doon ako
Meron ako
nag-use.
ito. Meron ka.
As in, pag after ko mag-wash ng face, really good eye cream, sunblock, and that's it.
Ano daw siya, religious.
Dami
Oo.
pala.
Religious.
Kaya mo ba yun?
Hindi ko
Ang dalawa pa lang yun, ah.
Dapat religious ka kay
Meron
Jim.
pa mga niacinamide, retinol, vitamin C serum. ganun.
Mahirap, tinry ko nga, wash siya lang, ganun-ganun.
Hindi nakakatamad na
Tinatry namin dati batong buhay eh. Hindi hindi na
Ano ba sa aquarium?
Oo.
Tak, tak, tak! Ganun ka rin, di ba?
Hindi ko alam yun.
Tak, tak, tak! Yung itim na, ano, di ba?
No, but seriously,
Mga
talaga,
chewing
sunblock is, I swear, it's the best na pang anti-aging Kemeruf.
Anong SPF?
50. Don't go beyond 50.
Talaga, why?
It's, masama na siya sa skin. Parang sa face nga, actually, max 50, 30 to 50 lang. So,
For the
body safe
face.
for the face. And,
Body safe more than
alam niyo,
50.
sorry, pero sa katawan ko, hindi din ako nagsa-sunblock kasi ang mahal.
Ano yung sunblock? Was spray or...
Hindi, Bello.
Kita mo na?
May plug.
May plug
Hindi ako
pa.
sponsored, hindi ako sponsored. Pero
Sponsor
yun
ba?
yung sunblock ko, Bello. Ano ako doon, tried and tested. If
Okay.
ayaw niya Bello, pwede din Neutrogena.
Grabe, pag ilit talaga. Kailangan ganun. Sa amin, gaw-gaw lang eh.
Speaking of, ano,
Speaking of sugar,
Speaking of sugar, may ano pala dito, may sugar na
Isa lang, ah.
ibal.
yung mga tsuhin muna magsusugar.
Oo.
Sige,
No,
sige na kayo about
but I
skincare.
think if you try, guys, you'll notice na when you just lessen your sugar intake, sobrang maraming mag-improve sa body nyo, you'll get better skin, syempre, mas hindi ka magiging ng weight.
Hindi ka antokin.
Pwede rin, kasi minsan pag you have too much sugar, may spike ng, ano ba yung glucose?
Interested din ako. So you're doing a lot of activities.
Yeah.
Yung recovery is also
Oh.
very important.
Yes.
Let's
yes.
talk about
To me.
Ariana Evangelista's recovery. How do you do it? Meron ka bang rest days? Which is
Yes.
very important. Ano yung mga ginagawa at hindi mo ginagawa as an athlete?
People actually don't realize na yung hardness mo in terms of training, your recovery should be harder. Kasi ganoon naman yung nagiging difference per athlete eh. Kasi training programs and all that, they're basically the same. But how good can you recover is what differentiates every athlete. So, of course, tao din ako. I have 1 or 2 rest days in a week.
Yung rest day mo, ano ba siya? Is it complete rest or active recovery?
Alam mo, nagiging active recovery.
Ah.
Kasi parang nasasayangan ako na wala akong... I mean, it's bad. Pero, dinadaan ko na rin sa good nutrition. I have to feed myself properly. Like, I have to eat properly. I have the right amounts of protein with me. I have to be well hydrated. And of course, priority talaga dun is sleep. So now, syempre, tayo, we do a lot of things in a day. Then we end up, sleeping late, ganyan. But
How many hours do you usually...
8 minimum. So,
Oh
ngayon
my
yung
God.
training,
Shoot mo yung 8?
Uy, sana all.
hindi, ito nga, yung training ko, nag-a-adjust siya with the sleep that I do. Kunyari, minsan, in the morning kulang, I won't push for the training kasi I know I'm not gonna do well. So, yun nga rin mahirap on my end kasi may mga other activities na bigla kong last minute cancel or move kasi I have to prioritize my sleep the most and then training and then everything else follow.
Oh, that's also a good mindset. Kasi I think may mga athletes na minsan nako-compromise yung sleep.
Hindi ko
Kasi
kaya
ang aga
yun.
ng training. But for Ariana, priority yung sleep.
Yeah.
Kasi
Kayo na mag-adjust.
Parang siya, lumalakas siya sa recovery. Ay, ako puro rest, puro recovery.
Oo.
Kanina ako pa rin.
Wag naman too much.
Mga puro recovery.
Wag naman too much recovery.
Special episode to, may aminin ako.
Sige,
10 years ago, I trained hard. So, ngayon,
recovery.
isang recovering harder. Kaya ako nga, di ba? Isang
Yes.
recovering harder.
Alam mo,
Oo.
kung pumarera to si Carlos ngayon, yari kayong lahat.
No,
May covered yan. Covered yan.
Laspag ka na.
100%.
Laspag ka na, di ba?
Laspag ka na, ito hindi pa rin. Well rested
Tama,
ka.
tama,
10
tama.
years ako nagpahinga.
Green light, yung ano niya, sa
Oo,
watch.
correct.
Pero mahirap magpahinga. ha?
Oo, actually.
Mahirap
Actually, that's true
magpahinga.
naman. It's really hard to rest. Especially na, let's say, na you're not only an athlete lang. Sa athlete kasi madali, parang wala kami gagawin eh. But with me, aside from being a pro athlete, I also have responsibilities from sponsors. And now na nauso na yung influencer era,
Excuse me, ha? Sorry.
Kaya dito tayo.
Tama din na tayo. Oo.
Ay, hindi pa ako tapos! Nung nauso yung parang influencer
Excuse me,
era,
siya
after
influencer.
ng pandemic,
Oo.
Kami, influencer.
Oo.
na ito yung so yung nauso na siya nung after ng pandemic. So brands work with athletes as
Right.
well. So now parang nagkakaroon ng more work, ganyan-ganyan. So it's a matter of how you can manage the work while still be able to fully train. Yeah. Kasi in my sport, cycling, honestly, there's not much money in there naman eh. Competitions, how much lang naman yung kikitain mo. But with me, I'm really able to earn my living because of working with brands. So, kaya kailangan ko
Yes,
talaga
more brands for yan.
I hope to
I think we need to work with brands.
yes.
Can you call brands? Brands!
Branding!
Sino yung brands na yan?
Brands, halika nga!
Sana may asong
Para mapag-anak ni Wisely yan eh.
Oh,
Vote
exactly.
wisely.
Vote wisely. So let's work with brands.
brands.
Yes.
Malalaman mo yan pag kayo suot mo maraming tatak eh.
Oo.
That's sponsored yan.
At saka yung tipong pag sinabi siya, uy, suotin mo naman to sapatos. Ay, sorry. I cannot.
Ah!
Yung medyo nagtataray ka na, di ba?
Sorry.
Short.
Oo.
Sorry.
Sorry.
I'm under contract.
Sorry, conflict.
Yan, di ba? So pag binigyan mo siya ng skincare, Paul,
Exactly.
na ibang brand, hindi niya tatanggapin yan.
Sponsors, they want this, they want that.
Yes.
Oh,
You
high
can,
activity,
you
right?
can just be, nowadays I think, confirm mo na lang. You can just be malakas.
Yes.
So, kailangan may social media presence ka na.
Yes. And hindi lang naman yun. Kasi, a strong person with no personality, hindi siya kukunin ng brand. Ang kukunin ng brand is someone who can really communicate with the people who can buy the
Yeah.
product or
And I
the
guess
people
represent the brand properly.
or the people na who will feel more inspired by the ambassador kasi yun nga, na-inspire niya yung mga tao that watches his or her content. So, yun nga, kasi ako, I have plans on being a coach in the future. And how
Coach.
No, kasi I want to, aside from helping an athlete get stronger, I want them to have personality also, that they're able to express themselves. Kasi mostly people are just shy, they don't know what to do. So, actually, itong personality kong to ngayon, hindi naman ako ito dati.
So,
Ngayon nakapal na mukha ko, di ba?
Dinamelop na yan.
Nade-develop siya through the sport kasi I've competed abroad. I've met people of different nationalities. And then, I manage myself now. So, how will I talk to brands kung ganito lang ako sa meeting?
Mhm.
O, di ba? Ang hirap nun.
Kaya
So,
pala,
So, you
wala
have
pa rin
to...
akong brands.
Ganun ako sa meeting.
Oo, ganito lang ako. Excuse me, ang pinakadagdag ko, ang bago sa meeting, excuse me, can I go out?
Yes,
At least ikaw ka naman.
Oo.
Yun lang ang ambag ko. At saka, can I order lunch already? Yun lang yung mga ambag. Kaya pala, Carlos.
I know.
Pero,
Pero yung developing a personality, natitrain naman siya. So, you just have to keep believing in yourself.
Baka yan yung path mo.
so yung
I
coaching niya,
hope so.
hindi more of
It'll be more of the getting
The
better
personality,
naman.
oo,
But I
na-
want it to be a full package. Kasi I know what will the brands be after.
oh, so the brand will look for.
Ay, English ko, guys.
Sige, top 5. Ano ang hinahanap nila?
Hindi, syempre, well, yun yung mahirap. If you're starting, what will be important for an athlete is someone who can guide you. You have to find that person kasi that'll be your teacher. So now, you have to present yourself well on social media properly. Wala yung mga, depende na lang kung yung talaga yung trip mo, yung mga kung namang, kasi ano ba, hindi ko alam.
O bang may maparinggan ka dyan dahil?
Yun nga, kaya nga ayoko.
Nakakatagal mo. Oo, tapos.
Alam mo, kamatakot. Apat lang tayo dito. Tapos may isang boses na naririnig ako.
Doon ka matapos.
Doon ka matakot sa boses na yun.
tayo dito.
Ay, no.
Tapos may extra voice.
Okay, mo tapos na ba?
Na, basta yun. Basta
Ano
you have to trust the brands na you're working with. Like with me, let's say, or with other people, they just keep on accepting brands. What ends up there is, the people who see your content will be like, ay, bago na naman. Ano ba talagang pagpaniwalaan ko from that? So with me, how I work, I really stick to the brands I work with. And mas gusto ko na maging family ko sila in the future. I want to work with them long term. Which also makes it easier on my end kasi I don't have to keep shifting, meeting new other people. Pero, you have to choose those brands wisely. Kasi it has to have...
Ayun na naman si Wisely. Kasama na sila. Si Brands, tsaka si
No,
Wisely.
pero in choosing brands, aside from the product itself, you have to feel na the people behind the brand is something you're gonna, dapat vibe kayo. If it feels like it's gonna be too work or it's against your personality, it won't last.
Alam mo, nakakatuwang marinig yan from you. Kita nyo na puro biro-biroan lang. Pero it's really, really nice to draw that out. You know why? Kasi you're the perfect brand ambassador for
I
DT
wouldn't
Swiss.
say.
And we're
Thank you,
expecting
though.
already a long-term relationship
Thank you.
with Ariana. No?
No, but because the brand is really nice and I'm very honored to be chosen as one of the brand ambassadors. So, syempre, the thing is, when you really want to be sponsored, it's not enough din na marami kang followers or whatever. But you also have to do the work din talaga. You also have to earn and deserve to be the sponsored athlete or di man necessarily athlete. But you should feel na deserve ko to, not because, kasi mga followers or whatever. And it should not go to the point na lumaki na yung ulo mo. Kasi that shows your sponsors will see that eventually na parang lumaki na yung ulo, ganyan. And eventually they'll let go and find someone who's better at representing their brand. So, yun. And it's not enough naman din talaga na tanggap ka na tanggap. You also have to know the products that you're gonna represent. Kasi what if, for example, there's a fan. Lapis siya sa'yo in person. Hey, okay ba to? Okay ba yan? So, alam nga naman, wait lang ha. Ganun. Kumbaga, it sends a different impression if aside from you representing the brand, you know what you're using. Ganun.
Ganda na segue mo, by the way.
Magaling ka na.
Ito pala yung purpose ng podcast.
DT Swiss.
Hindi ko alam eh. So, mag-DT Swiss ka na for road bikes. May road bike ka na ba?
Well, yung gravel, it's really a
Gravel
road bike.
Yeah.
It's a
Na
road
kinonvert ko to a gravel.
Oo.
Okay.
So, pwede siya kasi.
So yan ang gagamitin mo sa duwangan.
Oo, sa Duwaman. Grabe.
Yeah.
Aabangan ng lahat yan.
Bakit naka-gravel bike sa Duoman? Sorry.
Lalo bibilis yan dahil ako
Oo.
DT Swiss.
No, but it makes a difference naman kasi yung using a mountain bike and a gravel bike. Even though nasi they're knobby, for me, ang laki na ng difference ng gaan in terms of pedaling the gravel bike. Kaya I'm happy na with that.
Okay, so before we go and we thank our guests, meron ka bang shout out sa mga the brands?
What's the brand?
Or your friends? Sino mga papasalamatan ni Ariana?
First and foremost, thank you so much to DT Swiss Philippines and Unison Bikes for having me in this podcast. And of course, to all of my other sponsors, my family, my friends, my fans, thank you so much for always being there all throughout my career, Gabi. I wouldn't be who I am today without you guys. Mwah!
Wow!
Eh,
Siyempre, thank you, Ariana. Of course, Mr. SBR himself. Carlos, sino yung mga gusto mo pasalamatan bukod sa amin?
Papasalamat ako sa isang host natin.
Yung nasa likod.
Oo,
Yun yung
kasi
boses
wala
lang.
talaga akong plano dito. Hindi ko alam kung ano to eh. Kung alam ko na, nagsapatos ba ba?
Actually, hindi ko rin alam.
Sorry,
Magpa-podcast ako ngayon.
Pwede ko, Fred, ako ka dito. May live session. Okay. Dali mo na rin yung mic mo. Tapos biglang may isa lang upuan. Napa-host na tuloy.
Hindi akong tinawa.
Nagpabudol ka naman.
Oo, syempre.
See what, May 11 pala yun, not May 10. Ako manakot and then Ariana's debut. Hope to see you at the Duwaman Duathlon.
Yes.
July 20. Clark.
Exciting yan. So, first time, yung mga first timers sa Duwa, makakasabay niyo yung mga
Let's go, first
mga
timers.
elites, the best. Ayan.
Alright.
First. Uy, elite ako. Huwag elite.
Elite.
Wala tayong elite doon. Lahat.
Age group, yeah.
Alright, thanks. Thank you again, Carlos. Thank you, Ariana. Paul,
So this has been News on TV. My name is Paul Garcia.
ako si Dexter Santos.
And I'm Carlos.
And I'm Ariana.
See you in the next episode.
Sayonara.
Bye.